Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Cookie Yuki. I'm making an origami parrot without origami paper today. You need to get copy paper, scissors, and crayons. In the middle, I'm using those pens to show you where to fold, but you don't need them. Just for me. Let's go! Make a square as usual. Here's a crease. Let me use blue pen to mark it. Okay, so bringing this edge on top of the blue line. Start folding from the corner here. Make it as pointy as possible. The other side is the same. Then bringing this edge on top of the blue. Start folding the corner here. The same. Then fold from the center like this. Just the way that this side has stick up and this side nothing. Okay. You're gonna make the beak of the bird. So maybe from 1/4 of this long line, you're gonna bend. Let me mark the crease with yellow like this. And this is the other side, like that. And I'm gonna open it so there's a crease already, and I'm going to mark with green. Okay, so I push the green away and bring the yellow to me, so like refolding the yellow part. There you go. Then bend this again. Let me make the camera a little closer. It's getting a little detailed. So let me bend it because the parrot's beaks are bent. So like this. Okay. So let me draw a line again. Crease, mark the crease, yellow. The other side, yellow. Like that. So this time, I'm going to open up the center part like this, and I push the yellow, refolding the yellow, and bringing the green towards me, and there you go. It's a beak. Now I'm gonna move this camera a little away. So you have to make the tail. So maybe from here, it's not a center, it's a little bit away from the center because it's gonna be the belly. So maybe here will be perfect. You're gonna bend it. You can adjust the length of the tail depending on where you fold it. So I'm gonna decide to fold here. And let me mark it with yellow. Yellow on the other side as well. Yellow. And open up. You see the cascade. So same as the head, this part. So you are going to push the green part away and refolding the yellow towards you. And let's see. So I'll push the green away, then squish from the both sides. There you go. Here's a bird, here's a parrot. If I put the eyes here, looks more like a parrot. It's quite easy, isn't it? Enjoy coloring. Make sure you use the colorful crayons. Good job.